and she stays with her child who's about a year old. Okay. So the problems that she.
Nayanthara is an Indian actress who predominantly appears and works in Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam cinema. She was the only South Indian female actor to have made it to the Forbes India Celebrity 100 2018 list. The actress is no stranger to controversies. Along with being Kristen's lady superstar and possibly the hottest babe of the South, she has also come to be known as a controversy queen, albeit many of them accidentally. So in this video, we will revisit some of lady superstar Nayanthara's most controversial moments. Number 1. Intimate photos with Simbu leaked. The two had fallen in love with each other during the shoot of Vallavan. They were seen together at various events and were also spotted partying together. But their relationship ended very soon. After a few months, in 2014, some intimate pictures of the couple got leaked and they went viral. In the pictures, the two were seen in intimate positions. The pictures had created a stir countrywide and many had blamed Simbu for leaking the images. Number 2. When Prabhu Deva's wife wanted to kick Nayanthara. Prabhu Deva and Nayanthara's love story is one of the most controversial topics in the South film industry. There was a time when Prabhu Deva was madly in love with a much younger Nayanthara, who reciprocated his feelings. Prabhu was already married to Ramlat since 1995. Ramlat later changed her name to Lata because she was a Muslim, and to marry Prabhu, she converted to Hindu. When Nayanthara came into Prabhu's life, Lata could not believe it that her husband was in love with another woman. Lata not only threatened to kick Nayanthara wherever she spotted her, but even sought her arrest for what she claimed to be her husband being stolen. Number 3. Speculations of quitting acting and her return after 3 years. While shooting for her mythological Telugu movie Shri Ram Rajyam, co-starring Nandamuri Balakrishna back in 2010, there were several reports of Nayanthara quitting acting and settling down into marital life with Prabhu Deva. In fact, she did it for 3 years, barring a cameo in another Telugu film, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum, that had Rana Daggubati in its lead. Number 4. Another relationship rumor. There were also some rumors later of the actress being in a relationship with Udayanidhi Stalin, which had also created quite a stir, only to fizzle out very soon after. Number 5. Slut shamed by Radha Ravi. Beside Prabhu Deva's wife Lata and the women groups who had supported her, senior Tamil actor and politician Radha Ravi had also slut-shamed Nayanthara. He drew a rare public statement from the actress where she labelled him a misogynist role model. Speaking about the comment he made against Nayanthara earlier and the subsequent controversy he was caught up in, the 68-year-old politician maintained that he never spoke ill about her, and yet the issue was blown out of proportion. Number 6. Nayanthara weds Arya. Nayanthara and Arya had even played a prank of getting married to each other, much to the dismay of her fans. Arya in an interview admitted that he was indeed very fond of Nayanthara. He apparently had described his relationship with Nayan to be something special and added that all of his heroines that he is friends with. Number 7. Call Me Auntie. On the sets of Tamil movie Massu Angira Masilamani, co-starring Surya, her co-star and supporting actor Premji Amaran had called Nayanthara auntie in jest. But the remark did not sit well with her, and she had apparently warned him not to repeat it. Number 8. Dhanush refused to pay. There were rumors that during the shoot of Nayanthara's Nanum Rowdy Dhaan, co-starring Vijay Sethupathi, which had gone both over schedule and over budget, it made producer Dhanush allegedly refusing to fund any more schedules of the film, and then Nayanthara reportedly completed it with the money from her own pockets. So these were the controversies of Nayanthara. That's all in this video. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if you haven't already, and check out some more videos on our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.